In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link local files or folders in Notion. By the end, you'll know the clearest ways to bring files from your computer into Notion, so they're easy to find, share, and manage across your workspace. Let's start with the simplest method, uploading a file with a / command. Open any Notion page, type /file, and press enter. A file picker will appear. Choose the document, image, PDF, or other file you want, and Notion will upload a copy right into the page. Once it appears, you can click the file to preview it, rename the block, or add a caption for context. This approach is great when you know exactly what you need and want a clean, consistent result. Keep in mind that Notion stores an uploaded copy in your workspace, so even if you move or delete the original on your computer, the version in Notion remains. Also, larger files may take longer to upload, and size limits can vary by plan. Another quick way is to drag and drop. Open your computer's File Explorer or Finder. Grab the file and drop it directly onto your Notion page. Notion will upload it right where you release it. If you drag multiple files at once, it will add them together, which is handy for batches, like meeting materials or design assets. You can drop files above, below, or inside blocks like toggles and callouts to keep things visually organized. After uploading, you can rearrange files just like any other block to keep your page neat. If you are organizing many files, a database is your best friend. Open a database, add a new property, and set its type to Files and Media. Rename it to something clear, like Attachments. Now, for each row or entry, click that property to upload a file or simply drag a file into the cell. This keeps files tied to specific tasks, projects, or notes, and lets you filter, sort, and group by any other property. It's a powerful way to avoid clutter while creating a reliable, searchable record of what's attached to what. You can even set up database templates so new entries always include a ready-to-use Files and Media field. A quick note on folders: Notion doesn't store folders as folders. But if you need to keep a group of files together, consider compressing the folder into a single zip and uploading that using the same methods. It keeps everything bundled in one place. That's it. Use the / command for precision, drag and drop for speed, and a database property for structure. Thanks for watching.